close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect right now. It looks so grateful. We've been playing his since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment is what it feels like when your heart is breaking when you bleed. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go and just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I. Said just like it was, but I guess that's over now. We've been playing his since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment is what it feels like when your heart is aching when it bleeds. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go and just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go and just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. If it's over, we've been playing his since 4 a.m. Silent treatment is what it feels like